morning, everybody. Outrod Garage here, and today we're welding up some wheelhouses in the old gasser. Ooh, patch I'm gonna have to do, but I'll worry about that later. Right there, that little patch right there. This side's good. Maybe a little patch right there. But anyway, that's obviously a problem there. Anyway, today's idea is to weld it all up over here too. Make it nice and pretty. In case if you're wondering, that is the battery charger trying to do a nuclear meltdown. Trying to charge a battery this morning. At least it got some noise, right? I'm gonna go ahead and set you guys in the tripod. We'll go ahead and weld those guys up. Let's go ahead and do something here, and hang on. Alright guys, so tell me what you think. There's that wheelhouse. Whoop. Here's this one. Whoop. Looks pretty cool without a big ginormous hole in there. So we'll have to fix that right there, and we'll have to fix that little hole there. I think we're at a good stopping point with this part of the project.
Hey, sir, we've got all kinds of stuff coming up on this program, and we're glad you guys came by. That's about going to do it for this week. We got a ton done. We got more done than what we're going to show in this one video. We got a couple of videos stacked up because so much variety. We are the variety show. Anyway, we appreciate you guys coming by and spending time with us. Obviously, you saw we got interior panels done on the 55 Gasser. We also got a bunch done on the O2 Camaro and a few more things that you guys don't know about yet. But anyway, we do appreciate you guys coming by and checking us out. And as always, thanks for watching.